Ah, yes.
You know. Boom! Welcome to another motovlog, everybody. Only this ain't a motovlog. It's a computer build. Something that I have never done before. All this crap. I'm going to build a computer. My computer is better than 10 years old. The one I use to edit all these videos and stuff is better than 10 years old, and it's not cooperating as much as it, as good as it used to. Now, before you say you should have done this or grabbed this or bought that or something like that, I had a budget and I got everything I could with the budget. Simple as that. I've never built a computer, so assisting me today for your introduction is my oldest son, Matthew. Wave. Wave, Matthew. There we go. They're going to show me how to do this. Him and Tim.
I'm not helping. I'm going back.
You're not helping? Tim's not helping? Tim's helping. Tim is Matthew's stepbrother. Okay? And by the way, when you see Tim down in the comments, thank him for our service, because he is a sergeant in the United States Army, and the dog just kicked the table. But we're going to build my computer and Matthew a new computer also. Enjoy. So there you go. Probably the only thing that you learn from this computer build is that I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to building computers. So, everything I put into this computer will be linked in the description. Or not linked, or at least listed down there. This is the third time I've done this video. Not the build part, the end part here, because for some reason it didn't record the first time, and then the second time, once I put it onto the actual editing, I accidentally deleted it somehow. I have no idea how I did that, but it's not there. So this is the third time. Woes of being a YouTuber. You can't see it until you do it, and then once you do it, you realize you did it wrong, or something was wrong. That's how it goes. Like I said, everything is linked or written down there in the description that I put in the computer. Also, be sure to Instagram, Facebook, all the just everything's down there. All my friends down there in the description. Just click on the show more or read more part in the description, and that'll show you. And that'll open all that up. You can check all that out. Be sure to leave us a thumbs up. That helps that algorithm. Also, leave us a thumbs up and a comment thanking Sergeant Tim for his service in the United States Army and for all the help that him and my son gave me in building this computer. Coffee good. Y'all know how it goes. If you have served, or if you're currently serving in our nation's military, if you're a firefighter, EMS, first responder, especially law enforcement, if you're in the healthcare industry, battling it out on the front lines of this pandemic, trying to keep us well, putting yourself at risk, we appreciate everything you do for us and the sacrifices you and your families have made. Ladies, flash a stranger today. Boom. Well, there you go. I'm pretty sure the only thing you learn from this video is that I don't know what the hell I'm doing when it comes to building a computer. Everything that I put in this computer will be listed in the description. Be sure to visit the description. All kind of stuff down there. Instagram and Facebook links. New thing is a TikTok. It's in there. It's been a while since this build happened. It's been working great. You can see it right there, right, So there you go. Probably the only, is that leaning? Description? Or not linked, or at least listed down there. And my brain quit working. This is the leave a thumbs up for Tim, Sergeant Tim, United States Army veteran. Be sure to leave a thumbs up. Shit, I'm messing this all up. So be sure to leave a thumbs up, especially for Sergeant Tim, United States Army. Thank him in the comments for his service. On and on. Be sure to leave us a thumbs up. That helps the algorithm. Also, for Sergeant Tim's, golly. Be sure to leave us a thumbs up. That helps the algorithm. And my brain quote. If you're a firefighter, EMS, first responder, especially law enforcement, we appreciate everything you do for us. So y'all know how. Coffee time. So y'all know how it goes. If you have served, we appreciate everything you do for us and the sacrifices and you. Coffee so I can finish this last part. Y'all know how it goes. If you have served or if you're currently serving in our nation's military, if my coffee but full. Coffee. Oh, it does the brain good. Alright, y'all know how it goes. If you have served or if you're currently serving under this pandemic trying to keep us safe. Coffee good. First responder, especially law enforcement, if you're in the healthcare industry, battling out on the front, oh my God. Coffee good. And the sacrifices you and your families have made. Ladies, flash a stranger today. Boom. Finally.